Next up in a heel raise progression is single leg. So we're going to be doing it on the floor to start. Now this is going to be increased demand on one leg and really building up the strength and control of the calf and soleus muscle here. Your gastrocnemius, soleus muscle making up your calf. So I'm going to target my left leg. I suggest holding on to something that's firm, that's not going to move. Now make sure we're not pushing up though, just fingertips, just to give yourself some stability here where you just can focus on the strengthening of the calf. So I'm going to lift my other leg, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive through the ball of my foot, my toes. I'm going to lift my heel, really going for height. I want my head to imagine trying to touch the ceiling in a nice, slow, controlled lower. Back up, push, squeeze the calf as hard as you can. Little pause at the top, nice and slow, controlled lower. And then another thing to monitor too is making sure that your heel stays relatively straight and it's not curving in. Okay, that's a loss of stability there. So I want to make sure my heel does stay in line with my foot and is not kind of collapsing inwards. So nice and slow, controlled movement here. I like the tempo of 2 seconds up, little pause, 4 seconds down, and making sure that you can go through the full range of motion. So I actually like to compare it to my uninjured side. And if I feel like that I can't go through the full range of motion, that's an indicator that this might be a little bit too hard, and maybe go back to those double leg heel raises until I can control it, okay? So do this on both sides. Nice, slow, controlled movement on the way back down, trying to promote strengthening through the full range of motion.